Hello guys, so on the 2015 Math for Girls Problem 20. So in the diagram below, circle with center A is congruent to and tangent to the circle with center B. A third circle is tangent to the circle with center A at point C and passes through point B. Point C, A, and B are collinear. The line segment CDEFG intersects the circles at the indicated points. Suppose that DE is equal to 6 and FG is equal to 9. Find AG. Express your answer in simplified radical form. So the first thing we want to do is connect the centers. Obviously, that's the first thing we do. Let this point be X. Next, let's connect the chords. And a good thing is that obviously the chords are bisected by the centers. And so that way you know that EF is 9. And so now let's let the radius of circle A be R. So then we have these points. And so one thing to note is that by similar triangles, CD over CF is equal to CX over CB, which is equal to 2/3. And so that means that CD is going to equal 30. And so that means that each of these is equal to 15. So that is pretty good. We know a lot about the circle now. And so now we know that we want to find AG, and so by power of a point by power of a point on G on the big circle, we get that circle A, we get that 24 times 54 is equal to AG squared minus R squared, and that is pretty useful. Anyways, so now what we want to do is that we know that BF is going to equal R squared minus 81, square root of R squared minus 81 by Pythagorean theorem. And so that means that this is going to equal 1/3 of the square root of R squared minus 81. But this is also equal to the square root of R squared minus 225. And so now we have another equation for R, which is R squared minus 225 is equal to 1/9 of R squared minus 81. And so this gives us 8R squared is equal to 9 times 225 minus 81. And so basically, what is 9 times 225? 9 5 45. 9 times 2 18. 18 plus 2 22. 20 25 minus 81 gives us 1944. And so 2R squared is equal to this divided by 4, which is 486. Let me check that. So 34, 8, 24, 6, yeah, 46. So that means that R squared is equal to 243. And so we know that 24 times 54 is equal to AG squared minus 243. So now what is 24 times 54? 24 times 54 is going to equal 1296. So 1296 plus 243 is our answer. Okay, so now that we know that AG squared is equal to 1539, this means that AG is equal to the square root of 1539. So first of all, we know that 1539 is divisible by 9, so factoring that out, we get 171, I believe. And so we can factor out another 9, and this gives us 9 root 19 as our final answer. Thank you guys for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.